Hi, my name is Simhadri. Today I will explain you Node.js software. For that purpose, you should want to install Node.js in our systems or laptop. On Node.js, open Node.js command prompt and paste this command. This command I have provided before PPT slides. You will get there and press enter. It takes some time. Wait for that. Okay, it will finish. Now we can type Node red and enter. Okay. Here we will get one web browser link. Copy it and go to the new browser and paste it here. Now we can get a Node-RED software. You can work from here. This is the Node-RED software. Okay, Node-RED is a visual programming tool that allows you to create an applications and automation task by connecting the nodes together on canvas. Let us say in simple words, for example, you want to develop a user interface for a user. We should want to use a CSS and JavaScript and etc. We should want to develop a user interfaces for a user. It's Node-RED makes a very simple, okay, that process. We just want to drag and drop the nodes and go through the flows. We definitely easily create a user interfaces. That is the main purpose using the Node-RED. It is an amazing software. It is a free. Okay, let me try on a simple one. First thing, these are the nodes like a common nodes function, networking, like everything is there. Is another word here. If you want to install import means you can import. Like manage pedals means if you want to install some another thing also you can install here. Okay, like that. Let you do in a simple one like inject. For that here you double tap here and name whatever you can related name you can give. String. In time lapse I will going to the string. Okay, below also it is string. I'm typing abhyas. Okay, I'm done. And another I have entering debug is to view means so you should use debug and connect this. Okay, now it's showing blue ticks which means whenever you go through the flows you definitely deploy it. Deploy means upload the code like that. Can deploy means successfully deployed. Okay, then we can press here means like abhyas is come. For also there is a so and so here. So here also we make intervals. Like every 1 second it will come automatically. Like you can use. And another time they will showing a blue tick, which means we want to deploy. Now it automatically showing abhyas. Now we can develop in a front end. Okay. For that purpose, we should need a dashboard. For we can how can we install? Open the tap on the three dots and come the manage patterns and come to install and here we can type dashboard. Like dashboard notes I already installed. If you are not installed means there is a come as a dashboard. Okay, there you can install there. Okay, when you are how you know you are installed or not, come here. See here the dashboard section will come. Okay, now I have doing a simple thing. I drag and drop in the switch. Now I am double tapping here. So now we can understand the two things. One is groups and another one is tabs. Okay, now group. I have name as a group name as a group name as a engineering. Like now I am in engineering group. Which are the tab means like engineering means is a group. Abhyas means is an like a company. Okay, like that we can think. Like that I have given and updating. Okay, okay done. And I am deploying that. Okay, successfully. And how can you see that? Okay, for that, open a new tab. At recently, I have opened one web link and same paste that, and last we can type UI. See, see there, I have a user interface for by a switch. Like it is an off on switch. Very easily we can develop a user interface, like a front end. Okay.